Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. My name is Knightley. And this is Cadbury. Let's brush my teeth. Let's brush my teeth.
I go to the sink. I open my toothpaste. I put toothpaste on my toothbrush. Just a small amount, like the size of a pea. If I need help, I can ask a grown-up.
Help me, please.
I close my toothpaste and put it away nicely. Then I wet my toothbrush. When I brush, I count to 10. First, I brush the bottom left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do the outside, top, and inside with teeth and gums. I brush gently in small circles. Then I brush the bottom right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I brush the bottom center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Make sure we have loose lips, right? So that we can make sure to get the sides of the teeth really good. If our lips are tight, then it's hard to brush.
Now I brush the top left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the top right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the top front teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I get every tooth. I brush for 2 minutes. I may use a timer. I brush my tongue. I do not swallow. I can just spit it out or fill a cup with water. I rinse my mouth from side to side. Then I spit all the water out. Now I wash my toothbrush. Now I floss my teeth. I floss between each tooth. All done.
Let me see your teeth. Good job.
Good job. Good job.
Bye.
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 Click like. Click subscribe to see our adventures next week. Bye.
Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Bring your tongue out.
Okay. Look that way, James. So after we're...
Blow kiss goodbye. Blow kiss to the camera. Oh, you kissed the camera, yeah. Can you blow a kiss? You just want to do kisses?